Let's replace the carbon filter in dry cleaning machine. There is solvent remaining here. First, drain off completely. This is manual valve to drain. 3 valves. Open them. Unscrew the hoop after drain. There should be space behind for maintenance. 1 screw on each side. Take it off. Open it. Do remember to drain solvent first. Take it off. Unscrew it. There are 2 filters inside. Unscrew and remove the baffle. Take out filters. There are 2. There's another one inside. Our carbon formula is unique. Its effect can rival distillation. Take it out. Let's take a look of the inside. All stainless steel material. Fetch the new filters. Do not need to move the plate, keep it there. Insert the filters in. No direction requirement. Just push it inside. Both filters are same. Insert whichever first is okay. Okay, put a cushion in the middle. Put the second one inside. Okay, that's it. Okay. Install the gasket and screws. Restore it. Just install the gasket and screws as before. Restore it. After it's restored, put the lid back on. Almost done. Just tighten it. Align it slightly. Loosen it. Make it at the center. Okay, that's it. Align the lid. This bulge should be on the top. This part. Rotate it to upright. Take that as reference. Okay, that's it. Okay, clamp the hoop. A square opening match a round opening. The other side also same. A square opening match a round opening. Pay attention to the space, or it will be difficult to clamp. Okay. Screw on. Do not fasten one side too tight. Try to synchronize both sides. Fasten tightly. Start pumping the solvent. Check the tightness. No leakage.